Okay, folks, this is a quick video on how to create your Google site for your Project 7 of archiving all of your project artifacts onto a web page. So within your Google Drive, you're just going to want to do New here, and you're going to want to go to More, and one of the options for More is Google Sites. So you open that up, and here we go. Brand new Google site. So obviously, one of the first things you could do is just start messing with this. There's nothing you could do to wreck it, so I would just recommend obviously giving it a title, and you guys probably know how to add a text box now to insert images. There's the image link. You can embed things. You can create brand new pages off this main page if you want to do that. And there's a number of other things that you can do and just play around with, create new layouts, things like that. But typically, it's just super easy. You can just start adding things. Let's see, Smith, HN151, Project 7 for spring 2020. So same business here. Go to title, do that same thing. And because a lot of this is going to be, by the way, I'm just going to add a text box here, make it a little larger. And because I have some pre-prepared links made up in Notepad, you could just copy and paste some of these links as you want to go. So you can just very quickly create some possible links for all of your archival material from your different projects. So here's AS3, Project 1, Project 2, and a couple of other artifacts, and the planning sheet, Project 6, some artifacts, and the planning sheet, and finally your assignment 5, your final learning reflection for your final exam. So of course, like anything else, just like Google Docs, you can create links to any of those by highlighting them and hitting the link tab, and that'll link up just like you link up anything in Google Docs. So it's really a super easy process. Next thing that you'll want to do is to share with others, and or actually you'll want to publish this, and you just want to publish it by giving it some sort of unique name for the URL that you're going to need to copy and paste for me. So here it is, and you can see that just by using this replicated URL from the title of the page, here's going to be a look at what your URL looks like. Now you are going to need to make this available to different people in different ways, so you can manage who's going to be able to see your site, and with the publication version, you can allow just specific people to see it when published. But I think the easiest way to do it is anyone can find and view the published version. And then after the semester's over, you're certainly welcome to take that link down or change it back to specific people for the purposes of my class. So really, publish, there we go. That's how simple it is, folks. And you can be as fancy and interesting and innovative and creative with this as you like. Or you could just do the basic Project 7 webpage that would pretty much look like this with maybe an image or two thrown on. as we saw from Julie Budd's example. So that's how it works. If you have questions or run into problems, just let me know for any of these things.